Hello guys, today I'll show you how to start a fantasy league on Sleeper. Firstly, set your filters based on your preferred league settings. Browse through available leagues and join the one that fits your style. You can also publish your league to attract other users who are searching for one. Just know that matchmaking feature is only available on the Sleeper mobile app at this time. While matchmaking helps, another way to find leagues is through Sleeper's Fantasy Football channel. Users post invite links in different topics, including startup leagues and orphan teams looking for new managers. So it's your chance to be a new manager for an orphan or a team. Whether you're looking for a competitive dynasty league or just a casual redraft league, Sleeper makes it easy to connect with the right group of players. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.